Hello folks on YouTube. Today we are going to show you how not to do an unboxing. You will see through this enduring video that most things went wrong. At least we did manage to finally open the box. At this point we were not using a secondary monitor, so the camera is not always pointing in the proper direction. What is it I was trying to show here? I'm not really sure. Well, at least everything that should be in the box was in the box. Automatic focus is not always an advantage. Really taking a lot of time, this. At this point, we really lost the momentum. Here I'm trying to share my enthusiasm over these beautiful little units, but the viewer can hardly see them. I guess right here is where this video really went down on them. Again, it is really important to be able to see yourself on a secondary monitor while you are trying to show something. If anybody lasted this long, thank you for watching, and please feel free to harass us in the comment section below.